Thank you, sir, Honorable Speaker, for allowing me to call the attention of the Chief Minister in charge of Forest and Environment under Rule 41 of the Rules, Procedure and Conduct of Business to a news item published in Nongpoh dated 13th of March 2023 under the caption Your KMC NGO Shao CFO Mumshim Kia Pnar Forest Bat Banmi Banban Kijaka Krong Khajna Haki Suropat. Thank you, sir. The very intention to bring this call attention to the Honorable Chief Minister in charge of Forests as well as the District Council also is the concern that we are going through. It's not only about the rampant cutting of trees. It is not only about the issue of illegal collection of different kind of taxes. But the core agenda behind is about the issues of environment that we are going through. So we are governed by several acts and legislation within the state of Meghalaya and within the state within our country also to keep and check all these activities that is going on. We have environmental laws in India like the Water Prevention Control of Pollution Cess Act 1974, the Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1977, the Forest Conservation Act 1980, the Environmental Protection Act 1986, and so on. We have so many legislation. Basic issue of environment in Meghalaya, contamination and silting of water bodies has been caused by unregulated and unscientific mining, forest clearing, and unsustainable short cycle of logging. The loss of natural forests is a serious concern for the state of Meghalaya. And we have seen as per the data in the state that the Giant Hill region, where 40% of the water bodies has been polluted. To regulate and control removal of timber outside the state for the preservation of forests and prevent their indiscriminate destruction, the Meghalaya Forest Removal of Timber Regulation Act 1981 is in place. The concern here, sir, when we read the newspaper and we have seen the rampant cutting of trees, the rampant supply of charcoal, timber. I'm not saying that we should not use timber, we should not cut trees. There are needs to cut trees for furniture, for other needs that we have in our daily life. But it has to be within the limit as per the law. I'm not against any person, any firm that is activities that is going on. But my intention here is that each and every issue, each and everything that we are doing, it has to be within the limit. So the intention to call the attention of the Chief Minister is that keeping in mind different acts and laws that are there, it has to be in place. We used to say in Khasi, Baam ban im, not im ban Baam. It is very important. Illegal supply of timber or charcoal without TP or without challan. I'm not saying that all are applying without challan. They are transit pass, challan, but they are. We have to have illegal this to check this illegal transportation, to check the illegal collection of different taxes also. So I sincerely urge the department, the police, the district council, be it the KHDC or JHDC, the forest department, to look into the aspect how to check the rampant destruction of forests as well as the illegal collection of different taxes in the state. It is the concern of each and every one of us. There is a slogan that we should, if we cut 1 tree, let us plant 10. If we cut 10, let us plant 100. This should be. Because I'm afraid where is our future lies in the next 20 years. Looking at aspect of global warming, looking at the drought, there are seasons where we have less rain, so we are concerned for this. So I would like to urge the Honorable Chief Minister in charge of Forests to please look into this matter for the concern of each and everyone. And before I sit, there is a famous quote on environmental which says that Earth provides enough to satisfy every man's need, but not every man's greed. Thank you so much, sir, for allowing me to call the attention of the Chief Minister.